Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is, product, first half and second half. Let's break down the code to understand how it works. #include stdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output library, necessary for using functions like printf and scanf. Int main. The beginning of the main function, the entry point of every C program. Int n. Declares an integer variable n to store the input number. Scanf, %d, n. Takes user input and stores it in the variable n. Int arrondis, j égale 0. Declares an array ARR of size 10 to store individual digits and a counter variable j. While n greater than 0. Array. Stores the last digit of n in the array and increments the counter j. N by equals 10. Removes the last digit from n. Int a equals 0, b equals 0. Declares two variables a and b to store the first half and second half of the digits. The first for loop. Used to calculate the first half of the digits. Builds the first half by multiplying the current value of a by 10 and adding the current digit. The second for used for second half of the digits. Builds the second half by multiplying the current value of b by 10 and adding the current digit. And the print statement. Prints the product of the first half and second half as the final output. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more programming content. Thanks for watching.